Let's look a little further now into the use of multiple assignments with CSS rules, and look at a couple of ways of a couple of aspects of this. One is assigning multiple rules to a single element or to a single class and so on, and one is using a class multiple times or multiple classes in an element. I'll show you what I mean. So let's start building a web page here. So let's put in a doc type and HTML tags, put in a heading with a title and a body, and let's put in an element. There we go. So there's a level 1 heading using a class LBlue. That LBlue is going to stand for large blue. I mean, it could be any text at all. I've just chosen to use that particular name and to display the heading of hi there. So let's create the style tags and populate that. First of all, this is the period or the dot at the front of the name, which means this is for a class. This is a class rule, and the color is being set to blue. At the same time, the font size is being set to almost 2.5 times or just under 2.5 times the default. So let's take a look at that, save that, and take a look at that in the browser, and there we are. There's a large blue hi there. Now let's add a little bit more here. Here's a new rule, italic. So I've called it ital, and all it does is font style italic. It won't do anything, it's just a rule on its own. But watch this, which is quite neat. Here I've added a second class to the class attribute of the h1 tag. And you can actually have as many classes as you like, so you can build upon styles. So we'll save that and have a look here by reloading. As you can see, we've now got both the iBlue and the ital rules have been applied. Let's try it again by adding in another rule. So here I'm going to put in one with the name of uline for underline. And here's the rule, text decoration underline, and let's add it to the element. So here we go. This particular element now uses the rules iBlue, ital, and uline. So we'll save that and load that into the browser and see the results. As you can see, all 3 rules have been assigned to the same element, and you can go on adding all the different parts you need here, which makes it easy for you to specify lots of different types of styles that you might need, and then just select the ones you want to put in a class definition. So let's take this a little further by creating a couple more elements using different combinations of these. So for example, here is a level 2 heading in which we'll use the LBlue and the uline class without the ital. So we'll save that and reload, and here you have large blue, so it's 240% in the color blue, and it's underlined. So let's put another one in. Here we have a level 3 heading where we just use the ital, there we go, and the uline rules. Let's save that and see what we get here. Scroll down, and there you can see there's a level 3 heading, and we've just said set italics and underline, and don't do anything about changing the size or the color. So as you can see, it's a very flexible system, and once you've created your rules here, all the rules that you might need in a document, you can mix and match them in any way that you want to get your document to look exactly how you'd like it to appear.